everyone, I wanted to share what I found recently online. Kitchen worktops near me. We've been on the market looking for worktops, specifically Quartz, and we've met with 4 other companies where we weren't as successful with timing, price, or the colors required, but we found kitchen worktops near me, and within 24 hours, Adam was able to meet with me, go through specifications and choices. We then met with him at the stone warehouse, made our selection, and within 7 days, I have my beautiful worktops done in the kitchen, as you can see, and we are absolutely thrilled with the support, with all of the information and the guidance that Kitchen Worktops near me have given. So if you want to give them a try, I highly recommend them, and I'm more than happy to provide any other pictures or information you require.